Voters in Kansas City, Missouri could approve a 20-year sales tax extension in April. The public safety sales tax dollars would help with infrastructure projects for police, fire, and emergency services. Mayor Quinton Lucas talked about it on the plaza today, answering questions about the tax and the new municipal jail that they hope to build. Well, Fox 4's Jacob Sloan was there, and Jacob, some people say the money could be used elsewhere.
That's right, Kevin, and that money that would be used for the jail could also be used for other stuff. Mayor Quinton Lucas said it could be used for 911 facilities, emergency vehicles, and more.
It's an extension of a tax that Kansas City residents have been paying for 25 years.
But if you broke it into a place 10 different times, if you've been arrested for speeding 15 different times, if you've been abusing members of your family, you got to go somewhere. We need to make sure that you're separated from the harms you continue to cause.
The 1/4 cent sales tax is up for renewal for another 20 years. Mayor Quinton Lucas says they're hoping to build a new jail and fund other infrastructure projects, like a rehabilitation center.
It's about making sure that there's access to mental health care, job services, all the sorts of things in the rehabilitation center that's going to be a part of it too.
Some voters aren't sold.
What can we do to really create a healthier Kansas City? And we have the answer by building another jail. I don't think so.
Patricia Royal is with Decarcerate KC, an organization aiming to change policing and incarceration. She says that a new jail would be hurtful for certain folks.
Simply because it impacts poor people. It doesn't build the economy, right? And we know who this jail typically incarcerates, right? Brown and black people at disproportionate rates.
She says funding community services would create more change than a jail would.
I believe that it should go into holistic approaches. It should go to mental health. It should go to skill and trades. It should go to individuals that are getting out of prison, coming to reintegrate into society.
And Mayor Quinton Lucas says if voters don't extend the tax, improving public safety becomes a much more difficult task.
If voters don't approve it, then it's a lot of status quo. And ask yourself, do you want a status quo on property crimes? Do you want a status quo on the public safety challenge in Kansas City?
That public safety sales tax is coming up on the Kansas City school and special election ballot. Lauren, that is coming up on April 8th.